Good morning, everybody. It's Monday at about, I don't know, almost 7 o'clock. Running a little bit behind. So, today we are going to be headed to the shop, go get our belt fixed, and possibly get some new tires. That's what we're supposed to be doing. So, alright, here we are in the shop. This guy here. Ooh. 8 in the morning. See how long it takes.
Glenn told me he was missing the link. Just like you're missing a link. That's not a link.
Fuck no, it isn't. Alrighty, we got that link replaced right there. Couple new bolts in some of these crossbars and stuff, and got that all fixed up. Eight new drive tires. Now we're just gonna get the radiator blown out and we can get out of here. Alrighty, we're all fueled up. Just leaving this old scum bum of a place. We got about a 48-minute drive out to Melba, Idaho, where we're gonna unload this load of DDG that we got on, then head out to Weiser. So that was a very short flight, but hey, as long as I got moving on the green, right? I just love when they do that, you know, the arm pump. So cool. You're a truck driver and you don't honk your horn, I don't care where you are. Middle of a neighborhood, you better honk that horn. If not, there's a special place for you. Alrighty, we made it here. Go check in real quick, scale in, and then go unload. Alrighty, we got backed in here. It's just a little bit of stuff in the way, but not too bad. You definitely aren't in need of it, but hey, whatever. We'll get her unloaded. Now it's been in here for a few days, so throw my back out doing this stuff. There we go. All right, we got that door open, got the PTO kicked on, and I'm gonna start this ever so slightly. A little gun shy now, you know. Well, it seems to be unloading all right, so that's a plus. Like I was saying, a little gun shy from the chain being broken, but I think she'll do all right. Get my paperwork signed. All right, we're pretty much empty. Well, we were pretty much empty. Hop up there real quick, fix a couple of bows, and then we can get out of here. Alrighty, well, I think that's all the bows fixed. Alrighty, that's all she wrote on that one. Time to start heading over to Weiser, Idaho. Back here getting loaded. Just loading out of this pile right here with a loader. So pretty simple. Alrighty, we're all loaded. I think stuff's real light. Got to about 71,000. Yeah, 71,000 pounds is all they got me at. So, see what she looks like. Yeah, they probably could have ran a little bit more in there, but I don't know. That's decent enough, I guess. Bougie right here, boys. Bougie. Got that remote. Come on. So yeah, they probably could have put a little bit more in there. Yeah, it'll be alright. Alrighty. Well, time to start heading on down to Hyrum, Utah. Alrighty, so made it down here to Hyrum. It's 11 o'clock. I think I'm just gonna go to bed. It has been a long day, and yeah, we could unload tonight, but just be winging it in the dark, and I'm not that interested in it. So anyways, I appreciate everybody liking these videos, watching. It means a lot to me. We're over like 1,300 subscribers, so that's getting 30 was crazy. So, anyways, means a lot to me. Hope you guys have a safe night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.